Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to be assembling this Bissell Powerforce Compact Turbo Vacuum Cleaner. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you've read through all of the information on the packaging and any information that comes inside of the packaging before you assemble your vacuum. All right, guys, I'm going to take everything out of the box and get it organized, and I'll be back and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I took everything out of the box, and there was some like plastic around the vacuum here and around this as well, and I removed the plastic. Here's the paperwork here, and then, make sure that you read through all of this paperwork before you assemble the vacuum. And here is the assembly instructions. So the first thing we need to do, let's try to get a little bit better view here, is I'm going to take the handle here, and you just want to make sure it's facing the right way. There's a tab here, and I'm just going to put this handle part here into the vacuum like this. You can hear it click into place. I'll do that one more time, just so we can hear that again. Just hear it click into place, make sure that it's secured into place. And then on the back side here, right here, if you push this down, you can take that out. So I'm just gonna place it back in here. Heard it click into place, it's secured into place. Okay, part 2 is wrap the power cord around upper and lower cord wraps. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so this hose here, this part was not connected to this part, so I'm going to connect it now. So I'm just going to, push this down into place. And then if you need to remove it, you can just lift up on that, just like that. I'm just going to connect it back for now, though. There we go. And then here, and if this hose is like too, if there's not enough slack, let's take this back off for a second. You can kind of adjust the hose to where it needs to be. So let me get this secured back in place. There we go. It's kind of a tight fit, kind of hard to get on there. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this facing down, and it looks like it can go either way. It's kind of stiff, so just be aware of that. And then I'm going to take the power cord here. It's got this twist on it here. So I'm just going to take the power cord, make sure you guys can see this, and I'm going to wrap it around these pieces here and here. And so I'll do this here, and then I'll be back. And then right here on the cord has a piece just to be able to secure it like that. And I'm going to take this off. And if you look, when I wrapped the cord around here, you just want to make sure that this piece is facing towards the ground, and then this piece is facing towards the top of the vacuum. So that way the cord can wrap around them correctly. Okay, so the next part is to attach turbo brush tool holder. And here's the tool holder here, and there's a little like bump out right here on the vacuum. Let me just show that to you guys right there. And so what I'm going to do is line up the tool holder like this. Just be careful not to pinch yourself. And then I'm just going to push this into place. Okay, I was a little off with the bump out there, so I just pushed it up, and then it fit into place there. And so now the tool holder is in place. Okay, so now part 4, attach tools by inserting them onto the on-unit tool holders. So it shows the turbo brush going here. Let's just fit that into place. Like so. Okay, did that one go in all the way? I can't tell. Let me see here. Yeah, okay. Just make sure that's secured into place all the way. And then it shows the crevice tool going here. Okay. And then, okay, and then the dusting brush, I'm just going to fit onto this side here. Just like that. That is how it shows it in the assembly instructions and in the product view, kind of having the brushes here face away from the vacuum. So that's how I'm going to put that on there. Showing you the back side of the vacuum here, just in case you wanted to see anything up close here. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.